Hi, my name is N4W45, but you can call me Aang. So anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you about math, specifically trigonometry. Now, I'm not just going to talk about trig, I am actually going to teach it. Now, I don't know how boring or it's going to be, but I'm going to try to make it as exciting and entertaining nonetheless. Hey! So I'm just going to jump right into it. There are two major types of right triangles, 45, 45, 90 triangles, and 30, 60, 90 triangles. Now they're called this because the angles in each triangle are 45, 45, and 90 degrees, and 30, 60, and 90 degrees. By the way, they're called right triangles because of the 90 degrees. That kind of makes it a perfect triangle. When you have these nice little triangles, you can easily find the length of the sides of the triangle, which pretty much solves the triangle. Solving the triangle means that you found every single angle and every single length of the side, which is pretty much our ultimate goal. So with 45, 45, 90s, all you really need is one side. You cannot solve a right triangle without having some sort of angle and some sort of side to work with. So it's okay that you know these things. So if you have a leg, which is the shorter side of the triangle, you can easily find the other leg, which is the same exact thing. The reason for that is basically this. The two angles are equal, meaning the two sides are equal. And the way that you get the hypotenuse, which is the longer side, is simple. You just take the leg length and then slap a square root of 2 next to it. Don't ask questions! 30, 60, 90 triangles are pretty similar. If you have the shortest leg of the triangle, then you can easily find the hypotenuse, which is the shortest length times 2. And then to find the other leg, you just need to slap a square root of 3 next to it. Now, I know what you're thinking. What happens when these two basic triangles aren't given to you and you have a whole bunch of crazy angles? How do you find the length then? Oh my gosh, shut your mouth! When faced with this problem, you just have to use these three little things called sine, cosine, and tangent. Now these guys are really simple. Say you're trying to find the side of a right triangle. You have one side already, which is 55, and then you have an angle, which is 35. Again, you cannot do these math problems without having some information to work with, so it is okay that you know these things. Anyway, tangent is simple. It is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side, or the leg next to the angle. So with the tangent of 35 equaling opposite over adjacent and the adjacent being 55, we could do some cross multiplying and some little calculator power to find the answer. In similar situations, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse and cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. An easy way to remember these three things is with the phrase SOHCAHTOA. So now that I've introduced you to the very basics of trig, let's do a little quiz. I'm the teacher here, gosh dang it! Because you're being so disrespectful. Anyway, quiz. Say you're trying to find the distance between you and your friend. Your friend is 6 feet tall, and the angle between your feet and his head is 45. Shut your mouth. So with this problem, this little picture that I've given you, is the answer 4.24 feet, 5.4 feet, or 3 feet? You don't have to answer now. I'll let you work it out. Here's a hint, though. You are going to need a calculator. If you don't have a calculator, Google should do the trick. And that is my lesson for you on trigonometry. No one is asking you. If you like this video, feel free to like it. If you have any questions about this video or anything else, I've left the candy to my Tumblr in the candy box below. I'm sorry that I couldn't use my HD camera. I really want to. There's just technical difficulties that I don't really know how to work out, but I'll figure it out hopefully someday within the next couple of years. Until next time, my name is N4M4W45. Peace in Christ and imagine on. So, is the answer 5.4, 4.24? or 3? You can take time to answer. Feel free. I'm gonna get something here. Have you clicked yet? Messy closet. Go on, choose. Oh, do you need time? Use a calculator? Alright. You even have a calculator yet? I should hope that you have a calculator. My new suit. Well, it's not my new suit. I've had it for years. Never mind. Have you picked yet? Seriously, you better pick. I mean, this video probably isn't going to go much longer. Then you're just going to have to rewind, and that's always a hassle. If you're wondering why I'm getting my suit out, you might want to click here in the center there. Alright, look, I really got to go change, so you can just take all the time you want to choose. See you later.